Okay, thank you so much. So, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing great. And how about you?
Yes, I'm doing fantastic. Thank you for
And how
asking.
was your day today?
Yeah, the day was pretty good, and today was working day, so I was working since morning, and I had free time now, so I thought I can do conversation with someone.
Okay, I hope so. And I'm glad that you have come here and you have invited me on your channel. It's my pleasure, I can say.
Yeah,
And
it's
hopefully that this conversation will be extraordinary, outstanding with you.
yeah, likewise. I think so.
So,
So,
how is your active going on nowadays?
to be honest, these days it is not going well, but I'm not bothering too much. But still, somewhere it feels we become sad when something is not working and you are putting all your efforts.
When you do quite hard work, when you work upon something but result does not come, at that time it's obvious things and it's a human nature that you get upset. So that is a part of life. So in course of just practicing, in course of just doing hard work, result will come. I
Hmm.
hope that you are not going to be upset.
Yes,
Just you
yes,
have to wait for the better day.
yes, yes. Somewhere I make
Okay,
my
so
mind, and I speak with myself like everything, comes at the right time. So maybe for me it is taking longer time. So yeah, it's okay.
do you know God must be taking your examination that how bold you are, how a struggleful life you are having right away. So that also may be the reason.
Yeah, we can say.
Okay, so do you have any topics just to we have to go through introduction or just we have to go some kinds of topics to discuss about?
Oh, to be honest, I just came here after my work, so I didn't think any. But if you have anything, so you can bring up, we can discuss.
Let's talk about something hypothetically, or just we have to go through introduction. I know that you know very well about me, and I know very well about you. So I think that there is no need to introduce with each other. Am
Yes.
I right?
Yes, yes, right. So we can directly go on to the question.
To the topic especially. So
Okay.
let's talk about hypothetical questions, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because I personally believe that the more you explain hypothetical question, the better a speaker you are going to be. All right.
Yes, absolutely.
So
Because we
just
think,
yeah. So here one question goes. Just do imagination that you are traveling on a bus, you find 2 lakh money, that is lost by somebody. What would you do with that money? Would you return that money to that very person, or would you take it away? And why or why not?
okay, so if I find this kind of money, so definitely it is in my nature that I am very honest in my personal life. So definitely
Mhm.
I want to return that money. If I already know that who is the person or I can find out, so definitely I will try by myself. But if I can't do it, so definitely I will go to the police station to make sure that this money should go to the right person. So I still remember one incident about this, so I can share here. So when I was a child, so I was going somewhere. So I was on the way, and there was one person. He was ahead me. So he was wearing one watch actually. So somehow it slipped from his wrist and fell down on the road. So I found that watch, and there were some other person was also there. So me and that person both came on the same time, and we picked up that watch. So that person, and I was saying that I want to return that watch to the person because it's his watch, so I don't want to keep it. And the other person was saying no, we can sell it, and we can divide the money in between. So he was saying like that. So I was very young that time, but still i said I said to him that I have seen that person where he lives actually, so I want to uh, return that watch to him. So somehow I convinced him and I returned that watch.
Okay, that's great to know about that, and I love your story, which you have found, and hopefully that you are quite honest in terms of in this matter, right?
Yeah.
Uh,
And I think you would. or some other person would do the same thing. I think so, who are very uh, honest and the kind hearted. So definitely we feel the same pain with for example, we consider ourselves in that place. Like if I will lose that money, so what will happen, and I will feel the same pain.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful thought mindset which you have. I'm delighted to know about that. Uh, so do you have any question to ask with me? Just one by one, okay? If you have any questions, just ask me one by one. We are going to practice, okay? We are going to discuss about any
Mhm.
questions, whatever you like.
Okay, so uh, I can ask the same in the same manner. Like for
Okay,
example, we are
ready for that.
yeah, you have to spend your day without internet, without your mobile phone. So how would you spend your day?
That's very difficult questions because I
Because yeah,
believe that
nowadays it is
nowadays
very difficult to live without phone.
it's 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 quite difficult to live a single day, to spend a single day without a mobile, without utilizing internet. Having said that, I would love to explain about this matter. So if I have to spend a day without mobile and internet, I
Mhm.
would go to the field, to the cricket ground, and I would just hang out to my friends and I would start playing cricket. I would call to many opposition teams where I can feel better to bet with them and start playing whole day. And after that, after playing cricket, just I would go, somewhere else in a restaurant to do party with my friends.
Mhm.
After just winning the match or defeating the match, no matter. But because we have to spend all day, so without the mobile and internet, what you can do? So because of that, I would rather prefer to go to the restaurant or somewhere else to spend times to hang out with my friends where you feel better, where you cannot get bored. So that's my answer.
It's a nice idea, I would say. But I would say, if personally, if I have to spend my day, so I'm more into, study a lot. So definitely I want to spend some time for reading, but we can't read whole day.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
yeah, definitely we need to do something else. We can spend some time with our like friends and family members. We can do a lot of things actually, because we are the person, we lived our life without internet also, so we know both life, right? Like
yeah, yeah, of
this
course, of course.
generation, they haven't seen this kind of thing. They,
Yeah, yeah.
we can say, they are born with mobile phones and internet connection.
From the birthday.
Yeah. But yeah, we have seen both life without internet
Yeah.
also, and now, so yeah, we can spend
So
in that
why I have answered like that, because I really love playing cricket and I don't get bored while playing cricket. It's my
manner.
passion to play cricket as well. It's my hobby. So I would rather prefer to play cricket than doing anything works. I'm not a that much studious person. That whole day I have to study. Just early in the morning I do study, and apart
Yeah.
from that I would go to my school. So that is my schedule.
Okay. Yeah, it's a good choice actually, because you are doing something that you are liking a lot. So
Yeah,
definitely
yeah.
it's a good choice.
That's my favorite game. It's my most favorite game, I would say,
Mm-hmm.
to play, where I just feel quite after stunning myself to play cricket with my friends, especially. And you get lots of fun when you play against opposition team, where just you have lots of excitement, where you have lots of aggression to play against that team. So that time you don't think about anything. Just Your focus will be on playing cricket only.
Mm-hmm. Yes, right.
Okay, so just let's jump into other topics to discuss about.
Okay.
So can you tell me, your favorite sports,
Favorite
and you have to
sports?
explain why that is your favorite sport.
Well, so I would say that I'm not into sports or any games since childhood. So mostly I spend my day, playing some indoors game. Sometimes, what we call snake and ladders and games, Ludo. These are the games I played in my childhood. And now I'm not playing any game, so I can't say. But sometimes I like to play badminton. I haven't played a lot, but I love this game because I feel that I can play this at any time, and we need just one person with whom you can play. Some Something like cricket, we need a whole team to play. Then we
Yeah,
find
yeah.
yeah. But in badminton, so you can play with one person. So you can
But
convince to any one person, and you can play anytime.
yeah,
So
yeah. Just of course, and it's all about indoor games. So you can convince to one of your family members to play with you. And I believe that girls are mostly prepared to play badminton because they like too much this game. Here I'm going to ask one questions. Okay.
okay.
What kind of job you are doing means which sector you are doing?
In IT sector, software industry.
IT sector.
Hmm.
Okay, so as you are working, so I hope that you have been working over there for a long time. So what have you found the merits and demerits? Can you tell me five merits and demerits when it comes to just talk about and explain your company where you are working?
Yes, I can explain. So first thing I would say that if you are working in IT sector, so you can learn a lot of things because we are working on the technology. So these things are changing every day, or in upcoming year it is advancing day by day. So definitely we will get a chance to learn lot of new things. So it's a kind of ongoing learning process. I love these things. So we can say that it is a one kind of merit, the pros. And about my working place, I work with international people. So I love this things a lot because I always
Mhm.
wanted to do this. And now I have this opportunity. So I connect with them. So I'm getting a lot of things to learn from them about their culture sometimes, how they are speaking. There are multiple things we can learn actually. um, and the third thing is that in my company, I have the flexible environment. Whenever I have to take a leave or anything, so they easily provide. So they don't ask the second question why you need a holiday or something like that. So it is quite easy. So this is the good thing. Mm,
What about cons?
okay. If I talk about cons, it is a bit hard to say. Yeah, somewhere I miss office days because I'm working remotely. So I'm not getting chance to interact with my colleagues, like most of the people are from different countries, different state. Uh, so if I would work from office, so I will get the chance to meet with them. But in my case, I'm not getting this opportunity. So this is the cons for me. This only this
Okay,
thing I can
that's
recall.
great. Great, that's an amazing explanations which I have heard. You have just answered quite correctly, and I'm quite convinced with your answer.
So I think I missed, or maybe I forgot what you do.
Just I'm teaching at a school as an English teacher. That's what I do. It's my
Oh.
profession.
So full time teacher you are there, and
Yeah, yeah, full time.
apart from teaching, you are doing something else.
No, I am doing nothing else. Just sometimes I come to this app, a Skype app, just approach to somebody to practice because I believe that learning is never finished. Learning is never ended, right? So for that, I just would like to make my career in this sector. So I would love to be a quite fluent speaker so that in future I'll be teaching this language. So it's my, a dream I can say to be an English language instructor because I believe that in Nepal, in my districts especially, English teachers, especially language teachers are running short of there. So I would like to fulfill that what is liking things because I believe that when I go to there and I would start teaching, so I will make an impact among the students. So
Mhm.
for that, before going ahead, I would have to have my better accent, better pronunciation skill, better speaking skill. So just I would love to improve myself. Although I have to speak a lot in my schools because I'm not allowed to speak any language except
Mhm.
this. I do have that kind of environment to speak, but still I feel myself that I still have to go long way to practice to learn this language because I believe that nobody is perfect in terms of speaking this language because when it comes to learn phrases, vocabularies, that is the toughest task because
Yes,
nobody
absolutely.
can, because I believe that nobody can mung up all the vocabularies.
Yes,
So
yes.
that is the things I just feel myself quite difficult. And apart from that, getting better accent like a native speaker, that is also tough task. So I would like to improve that as soon as possible, so that I will be doing my favorite job.
Hmm. And I think you are already in teaching field, and especially in English language. You should know this language, because if you consider
Yeah,
yourself
of
that,
course, I must.
or if you are saying somebody that you are an English teacher, so people think that your English should be superb. You you are
Yes,
good at
have to start.
English, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So it comes
Uh,
in mind. But I have seen in
my,
school, people just teach grammar things,
yeah,
not the
sure.
spoken part. Yeah. But if you
Yeah,
are an
sure.
English teacher, so you should know, I think.
Yeah, yeah, I must to know. I must to know about teach and everything because teaching subject it does not mean only you have to teach grammar. You have to
Yes.
teach, writing tags. You have to teach grammars. You have to teach phonetics. You have to teach linguistic skills. Everything you have to include for teaching to your students, so that that particular students will get to know about each and everything. So that's what I know. But about I would say that I also teach. I also provide spoken classes, but only 5 class and 6 class, and the rest of classes I do teach subject. But I find that there is a huge difference between teaching subject and teaching language.
Hmm.
Subject means you have to include each and everything. Language means you have to just only focus on speaking and grammars. To these two things only you have to focus mainly.
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much for that, and I
Thank
hope
you.
that you are going to send this video. Okay.
Okay, okay, fine. Thank you.
Okay. Bye bye.